Greetings, members, one and all of the Salivation Nation. Yep, you see it right here. $1 million for gold replicas of spaceships from Star Wars, The Rise of Skywalker. Let's explore. Yes, this is an auction on eBay that was shared with me by Century Sylvia. And I think it is quite interesting indeed what their asking price for these things are. Now, we know there are some very highly collectible things out there, and gold is very valuable. But $1 million for these? Let's kind of take a look and see exactly what this is about and what they're offering for $1 million. And by the way, we can't forget the 20 cents as well on this. Very interesting indeed. So these are the micro machines, and they are supposedly here 24 karat gold. And I don't know that I don't know enough about these kind of collectibles. I know that there's other auctions here. Here's a Star Wars micro machines, a gold colored thing here, where these are gold in color, but I don't think these are actually gold. In fact, if you look down here, it doesn't say what they're made of or what have you. Authenticity there, but I'm curious to see if this is actually a real thing here. My guess is probably not. I've not heard of this, but we'll see exactly. Here's the Death Star. There's a Millennium Falcon there. There's the Star Cruiser, I guess. And there is the Death Star. And very limited, 12 of 13. So I guess these are very limited pieces, I assume. Here, let's see what some of these other images show. Sweepstakes, okay. 24 karat gold, solid gold micro machine. Let's see what this thing. Win a 24 karat gold, solid gold micro machine Star Wars Death Star. Or one of over 1,000 other prizes. So this guy must have won it. And here it is from 96. Okay. So this is the letter. Your entry has been driven as a prize winner in the Micro Machine Star Wars Millennium Falcon Sweepstakes. And so, yeah, there it is. And so apparently this is legitimate. There's the signature and everything that shows these things. But wow. Pretty amazing indeed to see all this stuff. There they are, all three of them here. And they weigh 17.90 ounces there. So, wow. 17 ounces of gold. But the collector value of this thing is something to be probably to behold here. So offered as a collection of 24 karat solid gold micro machines that were grand prizes in contests for Micro Machines Hasbro Galoob back in the 90s. And there's a commercial for it on YouTube. These are made from solid 24 karat gold and come with boxes and paperwork from the original owners for two of them. And Death Star, which is 6 ounces of gold. Millennium Falcon, which is 5 ounces of gold, that's 11 ounces, and 6.6 ounces for a total of 17.6 ounces of gold for the Star Destroyer. I have only ever seen one Millennium Falcon being sold over the years, but never as a complete set. Each of these items are very limited in quantity. Only 20 Death Stars made, only 13 Millennium Falcons made, and only 30 Star Destroyers made. And so it's asking you to make an offer. So Stacking Stormtrooper should be all over this, especially since these two of these are related to evil. So, that means that the dark side of the Force outweighs the good. But fascinating collectibles indeed. Thanks again for Centuria Sylvia for sending this along to me. I have a feeling, though, if this thing is so specialized that it'd be a gamble to hold this thing. If you ever really need to sell it, you're limited to YouTube, really, to do it. I mean, to eBay to really do it. Who else is going to buy this stuff for the collector value? Otherwise, at 17.6 ounces of gold, it'd melt. But will this person get $1 million and 20 cents for it? It's something to something to find out. We'll kind of keep track of this and see how it goes. But very interesting and fascinating indeed. Post your thoughts below. What is the top dollar you would pay for it if you had the money? Would you just pay spot price? Or would you consider buying it as a collectible? Are you a Star Wars freak? Find out. So there you have it. Post your thoughts below. Thanks again to Centuria Sylvia for sending it along. I'd like to extend a multitude of gratitude to you all for taking the time to watch, and encourage you to please rate, share, comment, and subscribe.